Here I have CUBOT X18, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files on this device from any other like iPhone device, Android device. All you need to do is to just download the app Send Anywhere from the Play Store in case of the Android, from the App Store in case of the iPhone. So just open this app. When you open it for the first time, you just have to agree with terms of conditions and privacy policy. Then tap confirm, grant all the access to the storage which it requires. And then if you want to receive file, go to the receive section. If you want to send it, go to the send. You can send photos, videos, contacts and any other files. Let's just send a photo, select photo, then tap send. Then to receive this photo, you just have to enter the 6-digit code, or you can share a link. Or the most simple method, you just can grant access to the camera, then make it like this. And as you can see, image is here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.